For the invisible things from the creation of the world are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even his eternal power and divine nature, so that they are without excuse.
Reality is not only what exists outside of us. Reality is also evidence that our mind accepts it, interprets, and believes it to be true. Reality is more than physics. Reality is also a belief system. Reality exists to us because we believe it exists. What we accept as true, the mind receives as real. Reality, then, becomes the evidence of what we believe we are seeing. We are creatures that perceive light. We perceive the presence of light, and we perceive its absence as darkness. Yet with our eyes, we do not truly see light itself. Light is invisible until it touches something, reflects, and returns to us as color. What we call sight is not the direct seeing of reality, but the brain's interpretation of reflected light. Our eyes receive reflections. Our brain creates images. Then, because it is our nature to trust what we see with our own eyes, we believe those images are real. But what we see is not reality itself. It is our interpretation of reality. So in a sense, we live inside a self-interpreted illusion. We call that illusion reality. When we close our eyes, we remove ourselves from the presence of light. Darkness comes, not as a thing, but as the absence of light. In that darkness, separated from the reflections of the outside world, the mind begins to create its own images. Dreams, memories, fears, hopes, visions, and imaginations arise within us. These inner images can feel just as real as what we see with open eyes. Sometimes they feel even more real because they are not filtered through the physical world. They are formed directly from belief, desire. In darkness, the mind becomes its own source of vision. And if reality is shaped by what we perceive, interpret, and believe, then the images within us may become an even more perfect illusion, a more personal truth, a more convincing reality. Reality is not merely what is seen. Reality is what the mind believes it has seen. We do not simply see reality. We believe reality into form through what we perceive, interpret, and accept as true. Your experience of life is shaped by how you respond to images, some formed outside of you by reflected light, and others formed within you by reflected thought.
We will continue exploring light in part 2. Afterward, we will turn inward and explore thought. Like and subscribe so you won't miss the next chapter to this series.